baby. Let's go home. Come on. I've got a surprise for you at home. Let's go. Let's go.
Dad, why are you in such a good mood?
It's a beautiful day. We got big news. We'll get married this Saturday.
It's another of these crazy schemes that come to nothing.
So she won't be telling me what to do?
Kidding me?
Ah, you gotta ask me when you do stuff like this.
You asked me about getting married.
Because I'm an adult. You're fucking 12.
So what?
I'm Bande. Who are you?
It's none of your business. I don't care about your dream.
What do you mean you don't care about my dream?
You don't care. It's beautiful, isn't it?
What is?
Who you love. The day.
1, 2, 3, seaside. 1, 2, 3.
You don't care.
Bailey, you'll live.
Who you love.
I knew there was a reason we met.
Who you love.